Welcome back, y'all. You tune in to another episode. Mr.Ssippi Soul. We doing our thing tonight, y'all. Yeah, we doing some White Zinfandel Rose chicken. Didn't have no red wine. Didn't have no cognac. Didn't have no bourbon. Man, but when you got a plan and vision, you can make something out of nothing. Stay tuned, y'all. Check this out. All right, y'all. It's time for that bird to come up. You heard it. Yeah, the mainstay cooking them chicken parts. This right here is chicken necks, and yeah, the chicken breast. And y'all watch right here, man. This reduction, I gotta get a little bit more thicker, so I'm gonna put some cornstarch to them. Work that cornstarch into them, and watch the main gonna get ready to put the drop down. Yeah, it's over there in that pan right there. Putting them old chicken necks in there, the old chicken breast. Gonna put me a little vegetables in that too, y'all. Hold up. I'ma show you. Show here. Just watch. There go the drop. How my Uncle Willie used to say, we called him Uncle Men. Hoot! There it is. Look at here. Ha, what you said. I'm just talking about this doggone chicken, y'all. About to make me stutter looking at this right here. Turkey neck. My bad. Them ain't no turkey necks. Just playing with y'all. Them chicken necks and chicken breast. With that broth. Who said you can't gourmet? They call this country food. Who you got to say that? Who got to say that? And when you don't overcook that broccoli, you see how it look. Do you see how it look? Come on, man. Talk to me. Oh, y'all, the main done got him a healthy plate. Yes, indeed. Oh, the main finna eat good, and that's for truth right there. You hear me? Look what in front me. Who you with? Look who in front me. Yes, indeed. Y'all better come on and grab y'all plate. Y'all better stop playing with Mississippi. This is straight Mississippi soul to the bone gristle. You hear me? All right, y'all. You know I gotta get one for y'all. Check this out.